The secret world of ants. Once upon a time, in a bright green garden, lived a tiny hero named Andy the ant. Andy was very small, but he was incredibly strong and always busy with his friends. Every morning Andy wakes up in his cozy home called an anthill. To us, it looks like a small pile of dirt, but underneath it is a giant city with many secret tunnels. Andy lives with a huge family. Thousands of ants live together in one colony. They are like a big team, and everyone has a special job to do to help each other. In the middle of the nest lives the queen. She is the mother of all the ants. She is much bigger than Andy and spends her day laying tiny eggs to grow the family. When the eggs hatch, tiny white larvae come out. They look like little worms. Adult ants like Andy act as babysitters, feeding them and keeping them very clean. Soon, the larvae turn into pupae. They rest quietly, just like a butterfly in a cocoon. After a short nap, they wake up as brand new grown-up ants. Andy is a scout. His job is to find yummy food for the colony. Ants love to eat seeds, tiny bugs, and sweet nectar from flowers. They are nature's little cleaners. When Andy finds a big piece of fruit, he leaves a scent trail on the ground. This is like a smelly map that tells his friends exactly where to find the snack. Did you know ants are super strong? An ant can lift things that are 50 times heavier than its own body. That is like you picking up a whole car. Ants do not have ears like we do. Instead, they feel vibrations through their feet. They can feel the ground shaking when a giant human walks nearby. They also use their antennae to smell and talk to each other. By tapping their antennae together, they share news about food or danger. Ants are very important for the earth. As they dig their tunnels, they mix the soil. This helps air and water reach the roots of plants so they can grow tall. Some ants are soldiers. They have big heads and strong jaws to protect the nest from mean bugs. They make sure the queen and the babies stay safe and sound. In the winter, ants stay deep underground where it is warm. They huddle together and eat the food they stored during the sunny days of summer. Ants never go to school, but they are very smart. They know how to build bridges using their own bodies to help their friends cross over water or gaps. There are over 12,000 types of ants in the world. Some are red, some are black, and some even live in trees. They live almost everywhere on our planet. One amazing thing is that ants do not have lungs. They breathe through tiny holes on the sides of their bodies. They are very different from us. Ants also have 2 stomachs. One stomach holds food for themselves, and the other holds food to share with their friends. They love to share. The most special thing about ants is their teamwork. No ant works alone. By helping one another, these tiny creatures can do very big and wonderful things. Next time you see an ant in the grass, say hello and watch it work. Even the smallest neighbor in the garden has a very big story to tell. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.